Hello and what's up guys, today in this video I will show you how you can fix Snapchat video call not working problem. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to restore camera settings from settings. Open your settings app and go to section called apps, or you can do directly by searching apps on the search bar. It doesn't matter. After that, click on system app settings. Now find out this section called camera, tap on it. Scroll down and tap on restore default settings. Tap on OK. Go back and go to manage apps. Now search Snapchat on the search bar. Tap on force stop. Now clear the cache file of Snapchat. Go to storage and click on data. Clear data. Click on clear cache data. Hit OK. Once you clear your Snapchat cache file, go back and check whether your problem is fixed or not. If not, then you need to follow the next matter, which is allowing all the permissions of Snapchat app. If you have turned off the permission like camera, then you need to turn it on. Now you need to update your Snapchat app. Search Snapchat on the search bar. Update it if it is showing an update. Wait for a moment, it will take some time to update. Hopefully this video helped you to fix your issue. Make sure you subscribe our channel so that you could enjoy the trustworthy and well-researched video on tech-related issue. Have a great day guys. Bye bye.